Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality videos, high quality reels on Instagram without using any kind of software. If I'm going to show you the camera setting, if you record a video 4K or 1080p HD videos, how we upload these kind of video on Instagram Reels. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, tap and hold the App Store, then tap on Updates. Here we have to check the list if there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update Instagram app first. Then launch Instagram, tap on your profile, 3 lines in top right corner, then tap setting and account. Here we have to tap on data usage. Now you have two options. We have to enable high quality uploads. That's it. With this simple and easy setting, you can upload high quality videos to Instagram. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.